Verifying your Booking.com account is an important step to ensure the security and functionality of your account. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Booking.com website or app and log in using your registered email address and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Find verification options. In the Account Settings menu, look for a section labeled Verification or Account Security. This section will provide you with the necessary steps to verify your account. Step 4. Follow verification instructions. Follow the instructions provided for verification. This may include confirming your email address, entering a verification code sent to your phone, or providing additional identification documents. Step 5. Confirm verification completion. After completing the necessary steps, check for a confirmation message indicating that your account has been successfully verified. You may also receive an email confirming the verification. Completing these steps will help ensure that your Booking.com account is secure and fully functional. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Booking.com customer support for assistance.